Hey there guys, in this video I am going to help you out with some tricky and very interesting Chrome shortcuts. So if you are interested, continue watching. Hey guys, I am Sanskar and you are watching Lapiology. So let's start guys. I have the Chrome opened here and let's start with our first shortcut. The first shortcut is nothing but taking the close tab back. So guys, lots of people are regret when they close the working tab by mistake. So don't regret about that, you can take it back. Simply hit the Ctrl, Shift and T. I am showing you as I am closing this tab. I close that, and if I want to return that tab, simply hit the Ctrl, Shift and T. So you can see the tab has written again in the Chrome. Now the next shortcut is clear browsing history, or you can also say clear browsing data. So lots of you goes to the three dot, then goes to settings, then goes to history, then goes to clear browsing history. That's a very long and lengthy process. Don't go for it. Instead of that, you can hit the Ctrl, Shift and delete. It will take you directly to the clear browsing history window, which is lot more easy than that process. You can see we have come at directly clear data or clear history. So it's really very easy. Now the third tab is nothing but jumping to the another tab. So whenever you have the lots of tab open, you will very difficult to go to or particular tab. So for that you can simply hit the Ctrl and that number of tab. As I am doing Ctrl and 2, I jump to the second tab. Ctrl 3, I jump to the third tab. Or I hit the Ctrl 1, I jump to the first tab. So that's easy when you have the lots of tabs open at a time. Now the fourth one is Chrome Task Manager. When you realize while using the Chrome, you have taken or Google Chrome have taken the lots of data in use. So for that you have to check what background you are running. So for that simply hit the Shift and Escape. It will take you to the Chrome Task Manager, which will show you what is running in your background in the Chrome as this window appears. You can simply end the process which you want to end. So this is data saving. Now the fifth one is address bar. Lots of you guys doing like this, going to the address bar, clicking on that and then typing the website. So just don't do that, as I have my YouTube page open here. Now if I wish to search that page another website, so for that simply hit the Ctrl L. The URL will get select, press the backspace and you can search whatever you want. So that's very easy. And the sixth one is www. Whenever you want to go to the website, you are typing like this, as I am typing Facebook. If you want to type it like www, don't type it, just search the website, and while searching press the Ctrl and hit the enter. It will directly take you to www.facebook.com. That is very useful. You don't have to type www at every time. Now the sixth one is bookmark. When you wish to bookmark any page, you are doing like this, pressing that star, getting get done. It also has some shortcuts, and that shortcut is nothing but hitting the Ctrl and D. You can see without any use of mouse we can open the bookmark. Now you can took the name which you want and you can save it. If you wish to manage that bookmarks, some deleting or some saving, so for that manage the bookmarks by hitting Ctrl, Shift and O. It will take you to the manager of bookmarks. As I have only one bookmark, you will have the large bookmark or lots of bookmark. You can do that. So guys, these are some shortcuts. I definitely guaranteed that 90% of your guys don't know that shortcut. Just start to use this, and I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the updates of my channel.